What comes to mind when you think of a full-size SUV? Is it rugged capability, a commanding presence, or perhaps the ability to tackle any terrain with ease? Now, what if all that power came wrapped in a sophisticated modern design that turns heads in the city as much as on the trail? That's exactly what Kia aims to deliver with the 2025 Mohave, a vehicle that blends strength and style in a way that few others can. But does it really stand out in a crowded market? Let's dive into the details and find out. The first thing you'll notice about the 2025 Kia Mohave is its striking front fascia. The grille immediately demands attention, not just because of its size, but because of the power it exudes. Almost square in shape, this grille gives the Mohave a look of unshakable strength. The mesh pattern is meticulously designed, striking a balance between practicality and a rugged, almost industrial style. Depending on the model you choose, this imposing grille is framed with either a broad chrome or black metal surround. It's a detail that adds a touch of class to the Mohave, reminding you that this SUV is just as comfortable navigating urban streets as it is conquering off-road trails. Flanking this bold grille are the Mohave's LED headlights, slender, sharply curved, and perfectly positioned to enhance the vehicle's aggressive stance. These aren't just for show, they're highly functional, providing excellent visibility in all conditions. The headlight's sharp, pointed shape gives the Mohave an air of intense focus, almost like it's daring the road to throw its worst challenges at it. Moving along to the side profile, the 2025 Kia Mohave continues to impress. With its tall, boxy appearance, it pays homage to classic SUVs while offering a modern twist. This design isn't just about aesthetics, it's about making a statement. The Mohave's height and substantial ground clearance make it clear that this is a vehicle built to handle anything that comes its way, whether that's a steep mountain trail or a crowded city street. Clean, straight lines run the length of the vehicle, adding to its solid, dependable look. This is not a car with gentle curves and soft edges. Every angle and surface of the Mohave communicates strength and durability. And then there's the rear of the vehicle, a combination of style and practicality that's hard to beat. The wide and tall design of the tailgate makes loading and unloading cargo a breeze, especially if you're hauling heavy gear for your next adventure. The tailgate's minimalist design stays true to the vehicle's overall boxy form, ensuring a cohesive look from front to back. Wrapping around the sides of the Mohave are its large, horizontal LED taillights, which mirror the design of the front headlights. Not only do they enhance the vehicle's road presence, but they also ensure you're clearly visible to other drivers, no matter the angle or the time of day. In the 2025 Kia Mohave, Kia has created a vehicle that's not just about getting from point A to point B. It's about making a statement along the way. This SUV doesn't just look tough. It is tough, yet it manages to bring a level of sophistication that's often missing in this segment. Whether you're navigating city streets or tackling off-road terrain, the Mohave is ready for whatever comes next. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.